ladies and gentlemen, today's tutorial how to paint the doors. See all this, and there's a very easy paint job that you can do. You can find a flat surface because if it's standing it's really harder to paint. Clean as much as the door you can. Use the cinder block to get all residues that's sticking out, so make sure it's flat, and then use the rug to clean it all, not dry and not wet, something in between. Wipe everything well and I'll show you the result. So this is the one side of the paint that's existing, and I'll show you what this looks like when it's already painted. It's like brand new. I'll show you the quality of the paint. We always use interior and exterior door and trims, Sherwin-Williams. It's a really thick paint, and we use either this bigger brush or something shorter. They come in 2-pack, 3/8 knob. This is from Overnight. I usually wrap it in plastic if you didn't finish all at once. And I'm using this container, smaller, and I'll show you how to do so. Mix paint very well, and then what you can do is get it as close as possible. Get a little bit like this, so you don't have to pour into the container, so edges stays clean. And we'll start painting. First of all, you paint these middle parts, and if you got a lot of paint, that's totally fine, because you're gonna roll over afterward. You run this way, you push it down, you don't even hold that thing, then lift it up, bring it back, and go like this. You never push it like that, just always let it flow. That way this sponge, you get as much as possible paint. If it's too much paint on the roll, you can roll it elsewhere. If it's not enough paint, you can always get just tiny bit right here. If you see little dabs, if you're not straining, just go like this and clean it. And you can run the same way this pattern is go on horizontal and verticals. And now if there's a residue around this, guys, you can clean them up. So I painted one side yesterday, then I set it dry overnight, then I finish up this other part. As you can see, edge is already painted. Try to run a roll one way at the very last. Doesn't matter which direction, up or down. That's basically how you paint it. It take about 16 minutes to paint one side of the door. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is interior and exterior door trim paint, and two of these products was used. One of them is this guy's right here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Thanks so much.